2024 marks a new chapter in the relationship between Komatsu and Williams Racing. One that is steeped in both heritage and success. Together, we've delivered podiums, victories, and most importantly, World Championships. So in the early 1990s, and when I started my career at Williams, I was a transmission builder. So from 1994 through to the end of 2003, I was the gearbox builder on the race team. So worked heavily involved with Komatsu through that period of the late 90s. Komatsu has over 103 years of engineering expertise, so the company has plenty of transferable experience for motorsport. Komatsu were able to develop and manufacture components for our 1997 championship-winning FW19. So this is an actual final drive wheel from 1997 season. This is a Komatsu made 13:53 ratio final drive wheel. This gear would sit around our differential in the back of our transverse in-house gearbox that we developed alongside Komatsu. The Komatsu influenced transmission in 1997 helped propel Williams to one of its most successful years ever in Formula 1. With 11 pole positions, 15 podiums, 8 Grand Prix wins, and both drivers and constructors world championships. Well, it was certainly a purple patch for us in those days. We were very fortunate that with the FW18 and FW19 that are behind me in 1996 and 1997, we had the two truly dominant cars that have ever been in the history of Formula 1. The storied history is the foundation that the new partnership is built upon. Our goal is to write a new chapter in the story and create value together once again.